Hey there! Have you ever wondered why aircraft accidents happen, especially in a country like India where millions of people fly every year? It's not just about bad luck. There are some real eye-opening reasons behind these incidents. So let's break it down in simple terms. First up, let's talk about human error. Now, pilots and air traffic controllers are highly trained, but they're still human. Miscommunication between the cockpit and ATC can lead to confusion, especially during stressful situations. Remember the Kozhikode crash in 2020? That was a tragic reminder of how a small misstep during landing or approach can have massive consequences. Sometimes pilots can get tired or misjudge conditions, especially when the weather is acting up. Speaking of weather, India's monsoon season is notorious. Heavy rains, strong crosswinds, and low visibility are a nightmare for any pilot. Some airports, like the ones in mountainous regions, add to the challenge with their tricky terrain. Slippery runways during rain, yup, that's a real risk. Now, let's not forget technical failures. Even with all the tech packed into an aircraft, things can go wrong. Engine malfunctions, system breakdowns, or even small parts wearing out because of age or improper maintenance, all these can cause big problems. Sometimes, the maintenance isn't up to the mark, especially if the airline is cutting corners. Runway excursions are another biggie. Ever heard of a plane overshooting the runway or veering off to the side? That happens more often than you'd think, especially on short or tabletop runways like in Mangaluru and Kozhikode. A slight miscalculation or poor braking, and things can go south really fast. Bird strikes and foreign objects on the runway also play their part. Imagine a bird flying into an engine during takeoff or landing. Scary, right? Even tiny debris on the runway can damage sensitive aircraft systems. Let's talk about safety oversight. Some smaller airlines or private operators may not be as strict with training or regular checks. If safety audits aren't enforced or repairs get delayed, it's a recipe for disaster. And finally, outdated infrastructure. Many smaller airports in India struggle with congestion and aging equipment. Upgrading to advanced radar, navigation, or alert systems can seriously improve safety, but change takes time. So the next time you board a flight, remember, it's a mix of skill, technology, and constant vigilance keeping you safe. And whenever you hear about an accident, know that investigations are always on to make our skies safer every single day. Stay safe, and see you in the next video.